Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the turbo and engine health. Do not proceed if oil pressure is low or shaft play exists. Once done, fit a quality recirculating valve or an adjustable blow-off device and set it conservatively. Make sure to have a data logger and wideband O2 ready. You will monitor AFR and boost. Start with lower boost and slower throttle transitions to create the flutter effect without aggressive pressure spikes, and use a safe RPM limit to protect bearings and seals. You now tune the system while watching live logs, and you tune in small steps. Adjust the blow-off spring per load to allow partial opening during quick throttle lift between 500 and 4,000 RPM to produce flutter. Make changes one click at a time. Once done, enrich fueling slightly during transients to stabilize combustion, and make sure boost spikes never exceed safe margins. If you hear metallic knocks or see lambda excursions, stop and revert to the previous safe setting immediately. You finish by validating the setup with careful road tests and longer drives while monitoring oil temperature, boost stability, and AFR. Once done, inspect hoses and the recirculation path for leaks or sticking pistons if flutter fades or becomes erratic. Make sure to log several runs and compare values to baseline. If you observe smoke, oil consumption, or abnormal sounds, stop immediately and revert to stock settings. Finally, make small iterative changes rather than big jumps to preserve turbo life.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.